Hello, my friends. If this message has found its way to you, consider it a sign. You are not here by accident, and you are not like everyone else. Something within you has stirred, a quiet but persistent call to step into your power as a creator. Let me remind you, you are the author of your own story, and the pen has always been in your hands. You see, most people live as though life is happening to them. They drift through their days, responding to circumstances, feeling powerless to change what they experience. But you have seen through the illusion. You've stepped into what I call creator mode, a state of consciousness where you realize that everything in your life is a reflection of what you believe, assume, and imagine to be true. Pause for a moment and consider this. Everything you've ever experienced began first as an idea, a thought, a belief. It wasn't random. It was created by you, even if you didn't realize it at the time. This truth is both empowering and humbling because it means that nothing is outside your reach. You are the cause, the world is the effect. Now, let's talk about how to align yourself with this truth and take control of your life. The first step is to understand the power of your imagination. Your imagination isn't just a tool for daydreaming or wishful thinking, it's the workshop where reality is shaped. If you want to change your life, you must first change what you see and feel in your mind. Begin to see yourself as the person you want to be. Imagine it vividly, feel it deeply, and persist in this assumption until it hardens into fact. There's no magic or mystery in this. It's simply the law of consciousness at work. What you hold in your inner world will eventually be reflected in your outer world. If you walk around feeling unworthy, the world will mirror that back to you. If you hold the belief that you are abundant, loved, and successful, the world will confirm it. Let me ask you this: what do you believe about yourself right now? Take an honest look. Are you carrying old stories, doubts, or fears that no longer serve you? It's time to let them go. You are not defined by your past. Your current circumstances are not your destiny. The moment you decide to think and feel differently, you set a new course for your life. Here's a simple practice to help you stay in creator mode. Every morning and every evening, spend a few minutes visualizing the life you desire. Don't just see it, feel it. Feel the joy, the gratitude, and the fulfillment as if it's already yours. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is vividly imagined. It will take what you give it and work tirelessly to make it your reality. Another key to staying in creator mode is guarding your inner dialogue. The words you speak to yourself shape your beliefs and your reality. If you catch yourself thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," stop immediately. Replace those thoughts with affirmations of your power and worthiness. Say to yourself, "I am capable. I am deserving. I am the creator of my life." You might be wondering, how long will it take for my desires to manifest? The answer is simple: it will take as long as it takes for you to believe in them. The speed at which your outer world changes depends on how deeply you accept your new assumptions. The moment you truly feel that what you desire is already yours, the world will rush to align with that feeling. You must also learn to trust the process. Doubt is the enemy of creation. If you plant a seed and then dig it up every day to see if it's growing, it will never take root. The same is true for your desires. Once you've planted the seed of your new reality in your imagination, let it be. Trust that it will grow. Trust that it will come to fruition at the perfect time. You are one of the 1% who have awakened to this truth. Most people are asleep, unaware of their power. They live by default, but you are here to live by design. This is what sets you apart. You are the chosen ones, not because you are better than anyone else, but because you have chosen to wake up. As you step deeper into this state of creation, let's consider the subtle yet powerful tool of focus. Whatever you focus on expands. It's a universal principle, but most people misuse it. They focus on their worries, frustrations, and the things they don't want, feeding them with energy and attention. Instead, direct your focus toward what uplifts and inspires you. Spend your mental energy on ideas, possibilities, and outcomes that fill you with joy. It's not enough to merely avoid negative thoughts, actively cultivate positive, constructive ones. Your focus is like a beam of light. Shine it on what you desire, and watch it grow. If doubts or distractions creep in, gently redirect your attention. You don't have to wrestle with them or fight to suppress them. Acknowledge their presence, then consciously choose to focus on something else. The act of choosing is where your power lies. Now, let's address the energy you bring into your creative process. Creation isn't just about thoughts, it's about feelings. The emotions you attach to your imaginings fuel their manifestation. If your desires are tinged with fear, desperation, or lack, they won't flow as easily into your life. Approach your creative work with a sense of gratitude, confidence, and peace. Feel the certainty that what you want is already yours. Gratitude, in particular, is a powerful state of being. When you feel grateful for what you have, you signal to the universe that you are in a state of abundance. And when you feel grateful for what you are creating, even before it appears, you align yourself with the vibration of having it. Start and end each day with gratitude, not as a forced exercise but as a genuine acknowledgement of the beauty and possibility in your life. Another aspect to consider is how you perceive time. Many people see time as their enemy, believing they are running out of it or that things aren't happening quickly enough. But time is neutral, it bends and responds to your perception of it. When you feel rushed or impatient, you create resistance. When you relax and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, you allow your desires to flow into your experience effortlessly. Think of creation as planting a garden. You wouldn't dig up the seeds every day to see if they're sprouting. You would water them, tend the soil, and trust that nature will take care of the rest. The same is true for your dreams. Nurture them with positive attention and let them unfold in their own time. Let's also talk about the importance of self-image. How you see yourself determines what you attract. If you want to create a life of success, happiness, or abundance, you must first see yourself as successful, happy, or abundant. This isn't about pretending or putting on a mask, it's about truly stepping into the version of yourself that aligns with your desires. Change your self-image by speaking to yourself kindly and affirming your strengths. Instead of dwelling on your perceived flaws, focus on your unique qualities and abilities. When you view yourself as capable and worthy, the world reflects that belief back to you. Recognize the role of persistence. Creation is not a one-time event, it's an ongoing practice. The greatest creators are not those who never face challenges but those who persist despite them. If you encounter obstacles, don't see them as failures. They are opportunities to refine your focus and strengthen your resolve. The truth is, you have entered creator mode, and there is no turning back. This is your path now. You have awakened to your power, and with it comes the responsibility to use it wisely. Take ownership of your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Live each day with the awareness that you are shaping your reality, moment by moment. So, what will you create? What kind of life will you design for yourself? The possibilities are infinite, and the power is already within you. All you need to do is claim it. Decide right now that you are worthy of the life you desire. Decide that you are powerful, creative, and unstoppable. As you move through your day, carry this awareness with you. See every challenge as an opportunity to affirm your power. View every setback as a stepping stone. There is no failure in creator mode, only feedback and growth. Take a moment now to declare it: I am the creator of my reality. I have the power to shape my life. I choose to step into my power fully and completely. And with that, know this: the life you've imagined is already on its way to you. Trust, believe, and persist. You are the 1%, and the world is waiting to see what you will create.